What's the meaning of corsair? Corsair. Corsair.
Corsair. Corsair. Corsair is a noun that refers to a pirate or privateer who operates in the Mediterranean, especially off the Barbary coast. The term also describes a fast sailing ship used by such pirates. The word originates from the French word corsair, which means pirate. Corsairs were notorious for their attacks on merchant ships, often plundering cargoes and taking hostages for ransom. During the 17th and 18th centuries, corsairs became a major threat to international trade. Today, the term corsair can also refer to a company that produces high-performance computer components.